Hey everyone, Little Jay here, and thought I'd give you guys a little update on our cat population. But before I do, you'll have to excuse the background noise. First of all, the neighbors are being annoying as fuck again. My nephew is watching R.I.P.D. and my youngest niece has a friend of hers over. So, without further ado, here we go. Um, Jeeva and Anakin are no longer with us. God rest their souls. Um, uh, Dusty and AJ are no we had to give those up alone. One of Dusty's two babies. We call them Chit. Um, a little bit of the story behind that is we don't want to use we thought he was a little shit because he was a little shithead, and we didn't want to use the term around the little Maddie. Um, Spirit Keeper, Spirit Keeper, and the only one we kept was just one of Dusty's children, right here. There's it. If she starts biting my finger, Dusty. I mean, not Dusty. Diva. 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 This is little Diva. This is the Diva. Diva. I'm sorry, I picked her up while she was playing and she's kind of pissed off at me. It's okay, Diva. It's okay, Diva. Diva. Okay. She's calming down. A little bit. When she starts purring, that means she's really calm. You wanna go back to playing now? Okay, you can go back to playing now. So there you have it. Our cat population is just down to 2. Let's see what else is there. Well, other stuff's going on. I'm currently editing episode 7 for my Breaking Bad vlogs, and I still have to record season 2, episode 3, and get it back into watching them again. Hopefully soon. So, until next time, this is Lil Jazz saying thank you all for watching. See you all next time. Take care.
You think you know me.